Hey everybody, we're back with Upwork tip number 2. I wanted to point out a few things that a client sees when they're searching for voiceover talent. Now, if you take a look at some of these individuals here, what shows up first, of course, is their headline title, and the first few sentences of their profile will show up. I also wanted to point out that this here specializes in voice talent. That appears because they have created a specialized profile for voice talent. So if a client is searching for voice talent or anything related to in any of those subcategories, this is what's going to pull up. So things to keep in mind when creating your profile and your description, that the first few sentences only is what the client is going to see when searching through. So make sure those are keyword rich, they stand out, they grab attention, and also, most importantly, your profile picture is also going to show up. So make sure you have a professional, well done profile picture in there. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next one.